Welcome to the Northeast Vietnam Off-Road Motorbike Tour. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable journey through the most stunning landscapes Vietnam has to offer. Over the next few days, you'll experience the thrill of off-road motorbiking while discovering hidden gems and breathtaking natural wonders. Our adventure begins in the vibrant city of Lang Son. Nestled near the Chinese border, this city is steeped in history and culture. As we ride through the bustling streets, you'll catch glimpses of ancient temples, French colonial architecture, and the lively markets that define Lang Son. Next, we head to the majestic Ban Giok waterfall, one of the largest and most beautiful waterfalls in Asia. Imagine the rush of water cascading down the limestone cliffs, creating a stunning natural spectacle. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh air and soak in the beauty of this awe-inspiring sight. As we continue our journey, we venture into the rugged terrain of Hagiang. Known for its dramatic landscapes and winding mountain roads, Hagiang offers an off-road riding experience like no other. Feel the adrenaline as you navigate through narrow passes and steep slopes, surrounded by towering karst peaks and terraced rice fields. Our final destination is the serene Thác Ba Lake. This vast, tranquil lake is dotted with over 1,000 islands, creating a picturesque and peaceful setting. Here, you'll have the chance to unwind, reflect on your incredible journey, and perhaps even take a refreshing dip in the cool waters. Don't miss out on this epic off-road motorbike tour through Northeast Vietnam. Join us for an adventure that promises lasting memories and a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty and cultural richness of this incredible region. Book your tour today, and let's ride into the adventure of a lifetime.
Thank you guys, thank you.